Hello children, welcome back to my talks, and here today I'm going to start with flamingo. Okay, flamingo prose. We have done already two poetries, okay, and we finished vistas. For seeing the chapters of vistas, please refer to the links. It will be given below this video. Okay, so now we begin with the first chapter, the last lesson from flamingo. Chapter's name is Last Lesson and the author is Alfonso Duarte. Okay, so this chapter, it is in the days of Franco-Prussian War, France-Prussian War, which is led by Bismarck. Okay, Prussia defeated France and the French districts of Alsace and Lorraine passed into Prussian hands. The two protagonists of the story, Hamel and Franz, are from Alsace. Hamel is a French teacher and Franz is one of his students. Okay, the story revolves around how the war plays a pivotal role, the main role in their lives. Okay, so we begin with this chapter. First of all, the theme. The chapter, the last lesson, this covers the themes of patriotism, okay, freedom of language and love for one's mother tongue language. Okay, the story also stresses on the importance of education and the necessity to respect and learn one's language. It also reflects to the unfair practice of linguistic chauvinism. What do you understand by linguistic? Suppose somebody comes and invades and tries to make the people do what he wants to. Even the language, that language should be taught. Refers to an unreasonable pride in one's own language while disregarding other languages. Okay, so you should have love for your own language, and considering it, that consideration of inferiority must not be there. Now let's come to the main characters. The main characters are Mr. Hamel. Okay, I'll just talk about his characteristics. He is a sincere French teacher, knows his subject very well, is passionate about French language, okay, considers French the clearest, the most beautiful and the most logical language in the world, feels that language is the key to a person's sense of freedom, advises villagers to hold on to French despite the ban on using the language. Okay, he's proud of being a French, upset and distressed by the occupation of Alsace by the Germans, okay, and attached to his own town, school and people. He is also a very hard taskmaster, particular about discipline, emphasizes proper learning of the subjects and the students are scared of him. Now children, you do get to write the character sketch. So if you know these things, you will be able to answer any questions asked from the board. Now he's an honest and sensitive man, shattered by the news of the occupation of Alsace, and at the arrival of Prussian soldiers becomes overwhelmed with emotions and his voice chokes. Okay, blames himself for being selfish at times, blames himself for not being sincere and taking holidays or going for fishing, also for making his students run and do little things for him, errands during class time. Now the other one is Franz. So Franz is sensitive and innocent, okay, blames himself for ignoring his lessons, doesn't want to study, okay, worries about German takeover, loves nature, that is enjoys sunshine, bird watching, chasing butterflies, and he is conscious of his student duties, wishes that he had prepared for the class, okay, that he realizes only at the end, doesn't like being scolded in the class, very observant, okay, notices very little details on his way to school and he is going to school, and quick to observe the changes in his surroundings. Okay, he also observes Hamel's efforts to control his emotions. Okay, so these are the characteristics. So in short, you can say about Hamel, he is emotional, hardworking, patriotic, loyal, honest and sensitive. And for Franz, observant, sensitive, nature lover, sincere and empathetic. Okay, now the summary. Franz was a student of Mr. Hamel's class at a school in Alsace. The country was now controlled by the Prussians And one day a notice comes from Berlin informing that French would no longer be used in classrooms. Okay, classroom teaching in French language has to be stopped. All classes would now be taught in Germans. Mr. Hamel told his class that that particular class was his last day of teaching. Okay, everyone was surprised and sad. Mr. Hamel also tells his students that they had to study hard and keep their French language alive. Okay, he said that if a country keeps its language, only then it could never be enslaved by another country. Okay, it cannot become a slave of another country. Friends felt bad that he had not studied harder. Okay, after that, Mr. Hamel had his final lessons in the class, and all the students studied very diligently. Okay, that day they were sad that they had not studied earlier. They suddenly understood how important language was, and as the class came to an end, Mr. Hamel looked very sad. Before he dismissed the class, he wrote on the blackboard in very large letters, "Vive la France," that is, long live France. Okay, so this is the summary, the character sketch. I hope you have understood the story. Okay, children, do subscribe the channel. I'm posting all the English videos over here. Okay, both for 10th, 11th and 12th. You can inform your brothers, sisters, youngers and everybody. 10th, 11th and 12th English and Bio. Okay, so keep watching. Thank you very much.